In recent years, the government of Kenya has been shifting its focus towards the leather industry with a view to propping it up in order to achieve its full potential. There's still a long way to go.
Today in Kenya, for example, nearly 90% of our hides are processed and exported in semi-processed form called wet blue out of the country.
The export of semi-processed leather means less revenues from the leather industry for a country which is only scratching the surface of its potential to earn from leather. Investment in the leather industry is, however, capital intensive.
You require a lot of investments to actually finish leather through the various stages.
As far as shoes are concerned, the market for leather shoes in Africa is enormous, and only a fraction of it is met.
The demand for that is something in excess of 1 billion pairs, but we're only able to supply about 200 million pieces.
We have a demand factor of 34 million pairs in Kenya. We're only producing 10 million pairs, and out of 10 million, we have 2 million that is coming from its own SMEs. So 8 million has to be filled in by imports coming from elsewhere. But most of them are mitumbas and very low quality synthetic material, which you'll find them branded as synthetic leather. And I want to tell you that there's nothing in the world called synthetic leather. It's either leather or synthetic.
The two spoke at the launch of the Regional Design Studio project, which seeks to put up centers in common market for Eastern and Southern Africa states, dedicated to the design, development, standardization, branding, and patenting of leather products. The forum, which began on Monday and will run up to Thursday, was organized by the Commonwealth Secretariat and the COMESA-Leather and Leather Products Institute. Kenya's neighbor to the north, Ethiopia, has made significant headway in the leather industry with exports to Italy and the United Kingdom in Europe, as well as to America, Canada, China, Japan, and the Middle East, earning the country much-needed revenues. Ethiopia is now Africa's leader in leather processing, attracting hundreds of millions of dollars in investment. Alex Mwangi, NTV Business.